Okay, babes, day 4 homework. So we're gonna go and write the 2-column proof for this problem. Okay, so they gave us all this given information. I'm gonna use this picture and mark up the given. It says C is the midpoint of line segment BD. So if I look right here, this is the middle of BD. So here's BD right here. That's this. That's BD. So we're going to go and say that, now you know what that is. I'm going to move it off because I don't want us to get confused in the proof. Now we know that BC is the same thing as BD, because if you have a midpoint, that means something was broken in half. The word mid means a point in the middle of a line segment, and it splits it into 2 equal pieces. Okay, if we look at, it says that AB is perpendicular to BD. So here is AB, and this is line segment BD, so I'm going to highlight that for you so you can see. Here is BA or AB, and then over here is BD. And now I can go in here and say they are perpendicular, okay? That's what they meant, that they're perpendicular. Now I'm going to go erase the highlighter. Oops. Okay, and I'm going to put my right angle back. And the same thing, I'm going to go highlight BD so you can see it. And now it's saying BD, this piece right here, is perpendicular to DE. That's this piece right here. And perpendicular means that a right angle. So that right angle goes there. I'm going to go erase the highlighter so it doesn't confuse us when we start our proofs. All right. This, and then this goes here. All right, so I marked up everything they gave us, and if you didn't recognize this symbol, that's perpendicular. Oh, just a second, babies. If you didn't recognize that symbol, it is perpendicular. That's what that word means. Okay, so from here, it is up to me to start using my brain power and start marking some stuff up. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna break these 2 triangles up. I took care of their given information. So I know I got this going on with the given. All right. There we go. So I broke them up and I've marked up what I'm supposed to mark up. So I'm gonna start my proof now. So here, I have my statement, and then over here I have my reason. All right, so for number 1, it says C is the midpoint of line segment BD. Oops. And it also said line segment AB is perpendicular to line segment BD, and line segment BD is perpendicular to line segment DE. And this is the given. Now it wants me to prove that these 2 triangles are congruent. Okay, so let's see what we're working with here. Well, when I broke them apart, they share this vertical angle right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 marks right here so I'll know that these 2 are the same. And ooh, as soon as I drop that in there, I'm in the game. Watch this. This side is the same as this side. This angle is the same, well, change the color. This angle is the same as this angle, and this angle is the same as that angle. So we might be working with something here. Now, I already know you see that this is a right triangle, and I know you're going to go to hypotenuse leg. But remember with hypotenuse leg, you have to know the hypotenuse and a leg in both triangles. We only have information for a leg. This here is the hypotenuse, and they told us nothing about it. So we can't say too much about that. But what I do have is an angle, a side, and an angle. So I can say, and their proof was really easy since they didn't ask us for any parts, I can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle E. Oh, and I didn't write my letters. EDC. Guys, make sure when you draw these that you write your letters too. I forgot to write mine when I redrew it. And here you could say they're congruent by angle, side, angle. And since they didn't ask me about any parts here, I don't have to do CPCT. Now, if they had to ask me for a particular part, then I know I would have to do CPCT. And I'm finished. I did exactly what they asked me to do. All right, babies, we will have a quiz tomorrow. I highly recommend for you to go back and do all of those proofs over from class by yourself, and you should have your notes so you can go back and look at your notes to make sure you got them right. Please, 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 please practice. This is going to be one of those quizzes where you're going to have a mixture of writing your own proofs and you're going to have a mixture of filling in the blanks. So please, babies, write the proofs over so you can be good at this. Okay, bye.